Monetag earning trick has been discovered, and there is the need for me to show you how you can make money with Monetag 2024. So this is a new trick I have discovered myself, and it's actually working for me. So there is the need for me to go ahead and show you guys how this is done. Basically, this new year 2025. So it's a new year, so we'll start making money with Monetag, Arbitrage, and many more. But today's video is going to focus on Monetag only. So go ahead and make money with Monetag. But if you're new to this particular channel and you don't know Monetag, let me just simply say Monetag is an ad network that helps publishers monetize their website, their app, or blog traffics by connecting with other advertisers. So this is very simple. But if you want more, please go ahead and check in this channel. There is a video or a playlist talking about Monetag only and Astera. So go ahead and watch that particular video. It's gonna help you out there. But if you're new to this particular channel too, please and please again go ahead and subscribe to this particular channel, like this video, leave a nice comment, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. You can also check under the description, and then there is a Telegram channel there. Join me out there. I share a lot of updates with you guys out there. Please go ahead and subscribe. Very necessary and very important to keep me moving, and also get to know that Charlie, you guys are motivating my brand out here. So turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new content to just as well, and let's start making money with Monetag. So if you don't have account with Monetag, please go ahead and just click on the sign up button here. Just type in Monetag in your on your mobile browser or your laptop and sign up an account for free, and then start with the process. So once you sign up an account, you are going to land to the home page of Monetag. So this is the home page of Monetag. So this is Monetag right now. So you can see this is my demo account. Those of us who have been watching my videos get to know that I don't get to show my main account. I mostly use demo account for all my videos right now here, because sometimes it's getting suspicious and a lot. So I just have to use a demo account for everything that we do. So in using my demo account, when the trick is working, you get to know that in my next videos, you can see I have some money in my account right now here. So let's start making money with Monetag. So there is a new thing with Monetag, which is Telegram mini app. So I'm going to take time to explain with you in my next video, but today's video is a different thing we've discovered, which is making us money on Monetag. I should have created a course to just sell it to you guys, but I didn't. So I'm just trying to show you guys. So go ahead and subscribe, and let's share this video to keep me moving in this page. All right, so today we're going to use our direct link to do everything right now here. So your direct link is going to generate a lot of revenue for us. So how you're going to promote this link is how you're going to earn money. So if you try to promote this link higher, or if you try to promote this link very well, then you are going to earn a lot of revenue right now. So if you don't know how to create the link, just click on create direct link here, and a new link will be added to you. Currently I have 3 links here. So I'm going to use the first, which is rich link. Okay, so I just have to copy the link right now here, and let's open a new browser or a new tab and see how the link is going to show. All right, so once you use you copy the link, this is how the link is going to pop up whenever someone click on the link. But this our link as we just opened is not going to count in our Monetag. Okay, so this is how it's going to. So what the person click on okay, then how you are starting making money on Monetag. So this is the link that you're going to promote, right? So first thing first is how is for you to head on to this website or head on to this thing like URL shortener. All right, so just get yourself to find URL shortener, any URL shortener. So I would like to use this one here. All right, so once you use this one, go ahead and paste in the link right now here. Now the reason why we are doing this is just because the link is very long. Besides, we don't want people to know where the link is coming out from. You just have to click on shorten link. So you can see our link has been shortened successfully. Now once we are going to copy this link right now here. The link is copied. All right, so now you can even go ahead and open that same link and get to know if it's going to show some ads, which is basically going to tell us the link is working. Okay, so you can see the link is also open different ads for us, so it's basically working. Okay, good. So all you simply just have to do after getting your shorten link is to go ahead with today's strategy. So today's strategy is going to focus on opening live football scores. Now live football, so you can go to your flash score or wherever you can get to know the upcoming matches and the popular matches and whatever. So you can see today, which is 7th January, we have Arsenal versus Newcastle, which is EFL. So wherever you are actually watching this video from, or wherever you can see if Arsenal versus Newcastle is a top match out there, you can go ahead and select it. But if you guys have different match which will be going on, which is very tough, you can go ahead and select that match. But in this case, I'll go in for Arsenal and Newcastle match as a video form. So you can see it is a very big match, which is EFL in England. It is a semi-final game, so it's a very big match. So the next thing you have to do here, after we discovered Arsenal versus Newcastle, is to go to a new browser and just type in Arsenal. All right, just type in Arsenal Arsenal versus um let's say Arsenal versus Newcastle. So you can see it up here, right? So you can see it's a match day, right? Good, a match day, a very big match. So let's go ahead and find some of the images. I'm going to hide this page sake of YouTube policies. Okay, so I'll go ahead and download this image, all right, and then go ahead and also download this image. I can even go ahead and download this one too as well. All right, so you can see these images has been downloaded, which means a day is coming for this match, or today is the match day. So once you have done saving all these images, all you simply have to do is to just go up to this place which says Twitter. Okay, so this social media is where we are going to promote our offers for today. So how are you going to promote it today? So it's basically how we are going to write a caption, how we are going to modify it, how we are going to tell ideas, and how you're going to convince them. All right, so this doesn't matter if you have followers on Twitter or if you don't have followers on Twitter. It doesn't matter. Okay, all you just have to do is just promote it and write a good caption with a nice picture and how you are going to insert in your links. Okay, good. So all you have to do here is to go ahead and search at this button which says search engine and click on Arsenal. Let's say Arsenal Arsenal versus Newcastle. Okay, so you can see Newcastle live stream here, right? So you can see this page have about 15.6k followers. That means you have a lot of followers right now here. So you can see this page or this post here was posted on January 6th. Okay, that was yesterday. So I think today is 7th, right? Good. So you can see there is a big match at this session right now here. So what are we looking for? We are looking for where the views are plenty. All right, the comments are plenty. So you can see here we have a comment here. All right, you have a comment here. It's a very plenty comment. So let's come to this side here. All right, so once we check, and then if you get to check and the comments here are few, or the comments here are not engaging, you can check on Arsenal's Newcastle page instead. But here is Arsenal's page. Okay, so you can check on Newcastle's page. So you can see you have only, and one advantage you're getting here is we have only one comment here. So we have to do something very amazing at this sector here. So I'll go ahead and select a picture of myself. I'll go ahead and select a picture which I downloaded it. So let's go ahead. So this is one of the pictures. Okay, or you can go ahead and select this one. Okay, all right, so this is one of the pictures. I'll select the picture and open the picture at this sector here. Right, once this picture is selected, I can go ahead and write something here, which is a nice description about the picture, right? Yes, so all you just have to do is just write a very nice description about the picture. So you can go ahead and type something like a very tough match. Okay, let's say a very tough match. So let's say a very good game upcoming. All right, a very good game upcoming. So you can go ahead and write you watch for free here. All right, So you can write something like, you can go and watch for free here, and add some emojis at the below to show that here is the link for you to watch the game. Okay, so we can go ahead and then up to our shorten link. So here is our shorten link. Here is the link. You copy the link and then you go back to the page. All right, you go back to the page and then you paste the link here. All right, for the video sake, I'm not writing a lot of caption, okay, but don't write too plenty caption. Don't write things which are not going to attract the audience. Okay, write something which is going to help them watch the ball live. So bring out some emojis if you can. Okay, I think on your mobile phone you can go ahead and do that. So bring out some emojis you can, and then go ahead and save it. All right, so once you are done, it says you want to post this. Okay, so once you want to post, write the same thing. Right, post your reply, write the same thing. Watch for live, watch for live, or watch live game, watch, let's say watch live game here. All right, you can go ahead and write something like FC Arsenal or whatever. Arsenal versus Newcastle. All right, Newcastle. Right, this is very simple, right? So you can go ahead and then go and paste your link at this area too as well, right? And just click on reply. Right, once you click on reply, it's automatically going to add to the link out there, or the messages out there. Okay, so it's sent. So once people come here, they will get to read the comments of Arsenal. All right, they'll get to read what people have been posting here and whatever. So your link will be also seen there for people to tap on it. Then it's going to help you work out for you. Let's try to scroll through the Twitter and see our page here, our account. You can see what we just wrote. We replied to FC Arsenal versus Newcastle stream, so you can see it right now here. And what we wrote was watch live game here, FC Arsenal versus Newcastle. This is our link, right? So this is within their comments. So if anyone taps on it, then we are making a lot of revenue out from this challenge. This is very simple. Okay, so go ahead and start creating something for yourself. Not only this one, go ahead and type it all. You can search live score on Twitter, you can search flash score on Twitter, you can search a lot of football streaming apps here on Twitter, and repost or add whatever you want to add with a direct link there and start making money with Monetag. Charlie, let's try to cash out. It's very necessary. So you can visit a lot of sporting clubs, or a lot of sporting, or let's say any brand which deals with car sporting. Okay, you can go ahead and write that same thing there to their comment section and tell them watch live. Okay, once you write something like that, it's going to help you earn a lot of revenue. So you can go ahead and do same to Newcastle. So let's say Newcastle let's say Newcastle versus Arsenal. Okay, so let's say Newcastle versus Arsenal. So you can see this is from Newcastle's page. All right, so this is Newcastle's page. So you can go ahead and scroll down and get to know where some of the comment sections are, and go ahead and type in something very catchy out there. So this is very simple, guys. Go ahead and start making money with Monetag with this very simple strategy I'm showing you guys. But make sure you write a nice caption, make sure you give out a nice topic, so that once people get to read the comment section, they will get it live and also watch it from that side. So all you simply have to do, just subscribe to this particular channel right now here. There is an upcoming trick too I'm going to show you as well. We all know there is a new series in town and a lot of stuff, so I'm going to show you a very nice trick in my next video. So go ahead, subscribe, and then turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new content just like this. Join my Telegram page. Of course, it's free. I'm going to share everything with you there for free. Like this video, leave a nice comment, and don't forget to subscribe to us. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.